are now listening to the Future Learning Experience podcast on PFLX Radio.
Great.
We've got curriculum plans, app descriptions. We even got like a little sneak peek into the platform itself.
That's pretty cool.
It's really cool stuff.
Yeah, it is. It's fascinating how Prototype FLX, and this is developed by the Tomorrow teacher, right?
We stand at the convergence of 4 cardinal points, each a beacon of the sustainability compass: nature, economy, society, and well-being. These are not mere directions, but deep-seated convictions that guide the startup studios. Innovate Inc., Imagination Studios, Gentech Studios, and Massive Dynamic, as they chart a course towards a future that is as sustainable as it is imaginative. Hello. Welcome to Mission Control. You are now connected to the Future Learning Experiences Prototype FLX. The control panel has been updated for enhanced user navigation. The side menu on your left now offers streamlined access to essential features: the message board, tools and resources, and the job board. Utilize these tools for optimal efficiency.
Of X coin.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so you've got common coins, which are rewarded for, just core behaviors,
Okay.
like teamwork, critical thinking. Then you have like rare coins,
Okay.
which are earned by taking on more specialized roles within projects.
So like a project manager or something?
Yeah, exactly, like project manager.
Okay.
And then they have exclusive coins,
Oh, wow.
which are awarded for completing complex skill-based projects.
Wow.
In these core pathways, which we'll get into,
Okay.
things like 3D modeling or game design.
And then they've got these things called core pathways,
Right.
which are like specialized learning tracks, almost like choosing a major in college. So you can dive deep into like digital art, mechanical engineering, game design. Like the options are
Pretty diverse.
pretty diverse.
And by completing courses within those pathways, you not only earn those exclusive coins,
Right.
but it also helps you develop skills that are applicable
Okay.
to the startup studio that you've chosen.
I see.
So if you're an Innovate and you're focused on that eco-architecture,
Right.
your core pathway might be in sustainable design
Okay.
or bioengineering. So it's all kind of interconnected.
So it's like all these pieces fit together.
Yeah.
You've got this engaging digital world. You've got this financial literacy system. You've got specialized learning tracks. What else is there?
Well, no 21st century learning experience would be complete without an e-portfolio.
Of course.
Right. So in Prototype FLX, students actually document
Okay.
their learning journey, showcase their skills, they even display their digital coins and badges.
Oh, so it's kind of like a digital resume almost.
It is.
That's really cool.
Where you goes beyond just academics.
Okay.
And it includes this networking and professional development feature,
Oh, yeah.
which is like a blend of Discord and LinkedIn, but designed
Oh, wow.
specifically for students.
Okay. So you're not just learning in isolation.
No.
You're also connecting with peers.
Right.
You're building your professional network.
Yeah.
You're even exploring
Exploring different
career paths.
career paths. Exactly.
And so you can create like a professional profile.
Yeah.
You can connect with other students, join groups
Yeah.
based on your interests.
Right.
You can even explore different career paths
Exactly.
and opportunities.
It's like giving you a head start on building.
That's a fantastic feature,
Yeah.
especially in today's world where
Yeah.
like networking is everything.
It is.
You are now listening to the Future Learning Experience podcast on PFLX Radio.